Welcome to today's series of What I Learned as a Chef. Today we're making proper UK party fried rice. Not the pale one, not the sticky one, the colourful before we touch the fire. Let me show you something important. In professional kitchens, we prep before heat. Once the wok gets hot, there's no time for panic. Everything ready, now we bring the heat. Long grain rice, cooked about 70 to 80%, completely cooled. If it's hot, you're not frying rice, you're steaming it. Now that the foundation is ready, we build flavour. We are frying, not steaming. First, protein. Cook your protein first, then remove it. If you overcrowd the pan, temperature drops and fried rice becomes wet. Now we move to colour. Vegetables must stay bright. Party fried rice is about colour and life. Now the main character enters. UK party fried rice has that soft yellow glow, but don't overdo curry. Season in layers, taste, adjust. Time to bring everything together. Add the rice gently. Don't press it, don't mash it. Respect the grain. Now we season properly. Protein back in. Quick toss, high heat, no aggressive stirring. And now, the reveal. Wipe and salt while lad. For next is someone who loves cooking. This series continues tomorrow. Cooking Smarter with Chef Nisi. Take a look at this beautiful fried rice. It's perfectly cooked and full of fresh flavors. It's delicious.